Namaskar Darsak Bandhu. Today we have recorded a wonderful song. Dedicate this song to all the fathers of India. Samo Papa Mananku dedicate karuchi. Especially janko Papa nahanti. Tanko prati jo emotions ta mo sohito jodita. So this song is for them. Wonderful thought and a wonderful script by Triyaksh Films Production House. I would love to thank the Sujog Milda ite sundar gita gaya pai. Wonderful and wonderful music director Sotishwar Sahu bhai as usual jimti gita garanti bahut sundar gita ite bhi karchanti. Wonderful composition and lyrics by Manoj Kumar Panda bhai bahut hi sundar likha and producer ochanti amara Santosh Kumar Jena sir janko pai e gita adhura. So I would love to thank all the team and production house. Music, lyrics, everything is wonderful. Asa korchi apna samastonko bahut bhala lagiba. Daya kari like, share, subscribe kari please enjoy kare. Dhanyabad.
तमें कोथिरे गढ़ा कुह बापा केबे भांगी बार देखी नाही। तमें कोथिरे गढ़ा कुह बापा केबे भांगी बार देखी नाही। मन कथा खोली कुहनी नाम कही पारनी काई तुमको मुटिके बुझी पारिलिनी। केड़े अभागाटे मो बापा तम पाई जोग्य हेलिनी। तम पाई जोग्य हेलिनी। केड़े अभागाटे मो बापा तम पाई जोग्य हेलिनी। तम पाई जो